In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add calendars to the iCloud so that you can access to your calendar from any of your devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings. Then tap right here at the very top at your name. Then get into iCloud. And after that we need to tap at show all to see all the apps using iCloud. That's where we need to scroll down a bit until we find calendar, and that's where we need to ensure that this toggle turned on. If it is toggled off, just tap on it to turn on calendar syncing, and while this button turned on, it will sync your calendar on a particular device with iCloud and across all your other devices as well. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.